Robotic Duct Cleaning. Airside Balancing and Performance Testing. Animations and Graphics by Arvind Avan. Subject Matter Expert, Trainer, and Content Writer. Tools required for robotic duct cleaning. Robotic cleaning of AC ducts requires specialized equipment and tools to effectively clean and sanitize the ductwork. Some of the common tools required for robotic cleaning of AC ducts are: 1. Robotic Cleaning System. A specialized robotic cleaning system designed for cleaning AC ducts. It should be able to navigate through the ductwork and use different cleaning tools and technique to remove dirt and debris from the ducts. The robotic duct cleaner typically includes a high-powered vacuum system to suck up dirt and debris, along with a variety of brushes and scrubbers to remove built-up grime and dust. The robotic vehicle can be remotely controlled by an operator, or can navigate autonomously using pre-programmed cleaning paths. One advantage of using a robotic duct cleaner is that it can access hard-to-reach areas of the ductwork that may be difficult or impossible to clean with traditional methods. Explore our 100% animated, 100% voiceover in English and Hindi, 100% industry-aligned, 100% made in India, with creative graphics in 17 multimedia courses, in a wide range of HVAC topics and home appliances. No Google stuff. Contact us, world leaders in multimedia contents and trainings, on https://sbgblv.com, or mail to info@skolenberg.com.